Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris and Jay. We're back with a short video to show you how to boost your immune system because I don't know about you, but here in Chicago it's like minus 25.
I wouldn't go that far, but it is around -10, which actually froze some of our relatives' antifreeze.
Yes, so I've got a mixture of 6 little tangelos, 1 lime, 2 lemons, half a ginger root, all in here with some water. This will not only boost your immune system, but it'll also detox you.
With
So-
also a boost of vitamin C.
I know. So, I'm gonna blend it up right now. Plug your ears. All right, now that you've blended it up quite thoroughly, you're gonna strain it.
We don't want all of those seeds and nasty root and stuff in it.
No. All right, now that we have strained all the juice out, we take the pulp and put it in its own container because don't throw the pulp away.
You can actually use it for composting.
Yes, for the garden and stuff, or for your house plants. It's wintertime, and they need more than just water because there's hardly any sunlight.
Yeah.
All right, now that we've got that, we have this wonderful juice.
It might
that you
not look
add.
like a lot, but God does it pack a punch.
Not quite double the amount of water you put in here, and you've got
Your own juice.
some vitamin shots that are really cool.
Ooh, what cup do we choose?
I don't know. Probably the red
Ooh.
one.
Just the same color as the blender and Chris's shirt.
You can put some honey in this if you want to sweeten it. It's just a shot, right? Okay.
Cheers, mate.
Well, that's good. Yes. To your health. Big love from Uncle Chris and Jay.
Bye-bye.